Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zoom affiliate program detailed guide step by step clearly. Look for the affiliate program link in the footer section of the homepage. Click on the link to access the affiliate program details. Review the program information and benefits to ensure it aligns with your goals. Next, locate the sign up button on the affiliate program page. Click the sign up button to proceed to the registration form. Fill in your personal details, including your name and email address. Create a secure password for your affiliate account. Provide any additional information requested, such as your website or social media links. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions if you accept them. Next, submit your registration form by clicking the Submit button. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation message from Zoom. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, log into your Zoom affiliate account using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you can access your unique affiliate links. Generate your affiliate links for Zoom products and services that you want to promote. Share these links on your website, blog, or social media channels. Monitor your earnings and performance through the affiliate dashboard regularly. Keep track of any campaigns or promotions that Zoom offers for affiliates. Participate in these opportunities to maximize your earnings potential. Stay updated with Zoom's affiliate communications for tips and new features. Engage with the affiliate community to share experiences and strategies. Now you can start promoting and earning commissions with Zoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.